If you're a foldable phone lover or a Samsung device lover, or you want to start using the foldable phones, now here is the best thing that is going to happen in foldable phone, because all the reports you are getting about this Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is awesome. So in this video, I'm going to tell you the 8 changes that is going to be coming to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 that Samsung will be releasing in September this year. So if you are new to my channel, this is AB Tech, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please like this video and comment what you are expecting to see in this Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So the first thing is that this Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is going to come with a thinner and lighter design. Okay, we heard that Samsung is working on making the Z Fold 7 to be significantly thin than its predecessor, which is the Z Fold 6. If they were able to reduce the size according to this report, that means this Samsung is going to even be one of the best talked about phone. And according to the reports that we are getting, they say the ultra thin glass technology may be used to make the inner display more durable while working on lightweight. So that means they are going to also reduce the ultra thin glass, which is wonderful. But and I know it's going to be durable as well. Now, the number 2 thing that you should be expecting, they are going to be a wider cover screen. Now, leaks suggest that Samsung might finally adopt the wider cover display, addressing the long-standing complaint about the narrow front screen on previous models. So it is expected that Samsung is going to have a reduced bezel for more modern look, just like every other foldable phones. Now, the third thing that you are going to be expecting from this phone is it's going to have the S Pen support built in. Unlike the Z Fold 6, which still required, a separate S Pen slot. According to reports that we are getting now, this Z Fold 7 could feature a built-in S Pen support, possibly integrating the stylus into the body. So this is going to be awesome if Samsung should do this. And the fourth thing that we are hearing is that there will be a new hinge for less visible crease. So the rumor suggests that Samsung is testing a new waterproof hinge that could minimize the crease on the inner display, making it less noticeable when unfolded, because a lot of people complained about this. So the 5 changes you should be expecting to see on this device is that there is possibly Samsung Fold 7 Ultra model. So this is just like new. Some leak hints that a higher end Ultra variant with bezel camera and titanium frame and a larger battery, possibly around 5000 mAh, will also be coming along with the regular Z Fold 7. Okay, and this, according to report, this could be to compete with the premium foldable phones like the Honor Magic V3 and the Xiaomi Mix Fold 4. So let's look at it. If Samsung is going to be having 2 models of Z Fold 7, but we don't know yet. The 6 changes we should be expecting is upgraded camera, which is being expected. According to reports, they said the camera is going to be increased to 200 megapixel main sensor or enhanced low light performance. So within these 2, Samsung is going to be dropping one. And a dedicated telephoto lens, unlike the Z Fold 5's hybrid zoom. It's also rumored. So if you've used Z Fold 5 before, you are going to have an idea of what we are talking about with this dedicated telephoto lens. Now, the 7th changes you should also be expecting is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 and AI features, likely to feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset or the Exynos variants in some region, with Galaxy AI enhancement similarly to that of S24 series. Now, the number 8 rumor that we are getting is that there will be a possibly drop in price of this phone, just to compete with other brand that is out there, because everybody know that the Xiaomi is hitting the market with the strong and durability and even lowest price that they dropped out there. So these are the rumors that we have gotten so far about this Z Fold 7 that Samsung is going to be releasing maybe in July 2025. We've not gotten a hint but a lot of reports are saying it's going to be in July 2025. So if you want to get into foldable phone and you prefer Samsung products, I will ask you to wait a bit till July and you will see if it's worth waiting. But I assure you, Samsung always up their game based on their previous record. See you in my next video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Peace out.